Hello guys, this is Wilmas Kitchen. Today ay magluluto po tayo ng fried chicken fillet. Napakasimple lang po at mabilis po itong gawin. Guys, ito po ang aking secret. I-marinate po natin ito sa aking chicken breast. Yan po. Mikos-mikos lang, mikos-mikos. Tapos, mix all here. Ayan, mikos-mikos na natin. Mikos-mikos. Mix well. Mikos-mikos well. Then, mag-add tayo ng 2 eggs. Tapos, mix ulit natin. Nilalagyan natin ng eggs para kakapit po ang ating corn flour. Yes guys, corn flour po ang ating gagamitin. Guys, ang hiwa pala ng chicken natin is very thin cut. Para mabilis siyang maluto at well coated din po yung ating ingredients. Ayan. Ganyan lang guys. Mikos-mikos. We will marinate our chicken for like 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, pwede na po nating i-fry. Over high heat, we will fry our chicken. As you can see, thin cut po siya guys, para mabilis siyang maluto. Tsaka this breast chicken is also a tender chicken, kaya mabilis lang talaga to. Ayan. Pag ganitong golden brown na, pwede niyo na po siyang baliktarin. Ito, konting minutes na lang. Yan, luto na guys. So guys, very tasty po siya, promise. No need to always use soy sauce when you marinate your chicken. Pwede siyang yung mga natural ingredients guys, and it is more flavorful and delicious. You can see? And you can serve this with your favorite veggies. In here, I just put carrots, capsicum, onion, and lettuce, and I squeeze with little lemon, so it will balance. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen. Yum, yum, yum.